New York style pepperoni pizza. Thin crust, crispy pepperoni, made right here.
Hey y'all, love my street tacos? Now get ready, New York pepperoni pizza. Here are every single ingredient you need for New York pizza. That's why we buy extra. Yeast proofing in warm water. Those bubbles mean it is alive and ready. Flour, activated yeast, salt, olive oil. Knead that dough 8 to 10 minutes. Whew. Smooth and elastic is perfect. Cover it and let that dough rise for 1 full hour. Punch down that risen dough. Look at how perfectly it has doubled. San Marzano tomatoes with garlic, oregano, fresh basil. Oh, the perfect pizza sauce. Sauce simmered perfect, deep red, thick, and absolutely incredibly delicious. Stretch that dough from the center out. Have it thin crust New York style. Pizza stone at 500 degrees. We need it screaming hot for 45 minutes. San Marzano sauce spread from center out. Leave that crust rim bare. Whole milk mozzarella layered generously. That cheese pull will be legendary. Pepperoni layered from edge to edge. Woo! Those crispy cups are pure perfection. Pizza launches onto the screaming hot stone, 8 minutes to perfection. Look at those pepperoni cups forming, and that cheese is bubbling perfectly. Erica, look at this. Out of the oven nest to leopard crust, perfect cups, golden cheese, perfection. Rest 3 minutes before cutting. Up. Hardest 3 minutes of Chef Snowpaw's life.
That cheese pull, New York style pepperoni pizza is pure perfection.
New York fold-a-die is pure, absolute pizza heaven. Fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil piece, the perfect New York finish.
8 perfect New York pizza slices. From above, it is absolutely stunning.
Full New York pepperoni pizza plated beautifully, restaurant quality right here. 3 perfect New York pepperoni slices plated and ready for America.
New York style pepperoni pizza slice. Thin, crispy, and breathtakingly perfect. New York style pepperoni pizza cup, made with love for all of America. Thank you, y'all.
Street style beef tacos. Hey, fresh, bold, and made for America right here. Hey y'all, hope you love my pancake spirit. Now get ready for street style beef tacos.
Here are every single ingredient you need for street tacos.
Everything organized and ready? Lisa, let's make the best street tacos ever. Cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, season that beef all the way through. 4 garlic cloves crushed and minced. Fresh garlic makes all the difference. Dicing the white onion soon, Chef Snowpaw is totally fine, y'all. Totally fine. Fresh cilantro, finely chopped. It is the soul of every street taco. Cast iron skillet on high heat, Faye. We need it screaming hot, y'all. Garlic and onion into the hot skillet. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. Seasoned beef goes into the hot skillet. Break it down into small crumbles of perfectly browned seasoned beef. Look at that gorgeous color right there. Tomatillos al verde with fresh cilantro and lime.
Fresh Chef's Plum Sam.
Fresh guacamole belling, avocado, lime, cilantro, salt. Hey, simple and absolutely perfect.
Cotija cheese crumbled fresh. The salty, creamy finish every taco needs.
Direct flame tortilla, nay. Those char marks are pure street taco magic. Warm all tortillas and wrap them up fried. Keep them soft and ready. Final lime squeeze over the beef. Woo. Woo. Seasoning is absolutely perfect now. Taco assembly station is set, pied. Every topping ready to go right now. Double corn tortillas, the authentic street taco way, every single time. Generous seasoned beef right down the center. Loaded and absolutely perfect. Fresh white onion and cilantro prero, the heart of every street taco. Fresh guacamole and salsa verde, those colors together are absolutely stunning. Jalapeno rounds and cotija cheese, the finishing touches that complete everything. Fresh lime squeeze, hey? The final touch that makes this taco perfect. 6 street tacos assembled, every single one loaded and absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, that first bite is pure street taco perfection. 6 street tacos plated beautifully. The Verde, restaurant quality, right in Chef Snowpaw's kitchen.
Street-style beef tacos, made fresh with love for all of America.
Street-style beef taco. Bold, fresh, and absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.